At ThriftyAV, I accept donations of audio and video gear, and a viewer who wishes to stay anonymous donated these 3 items. I'll be checking them out. That's coming up on ThriftyAV. The first item I want to talk about is this ATR35S. This is a lavalier microphone from ATUS, which is Audio-Technica US. This packaging is pretty old. It says 1992. This is a condenser mic, omnidirectional, 50 to 18,000 hertz. There's the sensitivity. There's the impedance. Cable length of 20 feet. That is quite long. And there's the weight. Let's get into this. And as you can see, there's the very long cable. Has an off-on switch here. Here's the lavalier microphone, windscreen, battery, clip, and adapter. I do not trust this battery to be working. Here's where the battery fits into the microphone. Okay, this battery does have a charge of 1.47 volts. That is going to be good enough to power this microphone. You know, that cabling is so nicely wrapped, I don't think this thing's ever been used. Try to grab a focus here. This microphone fits onto the clip like so, and you can put the windscreen on top of that. I'm going to be testing out the ATR35S on my Panasonic FZ300, but I need to point out that this is a 2-conductor mini plug. What that means is 1-channel mono. The FZ300 is expecting 2 channels on the microphone input, whether it's mono or stereo. So I'm going to use a mono to dual mono adapter that will split that signal into 2 channels. Let's record some footage. Testing 1, 2, 3. I have the ATR35S clipped to my shirt. I have it plugged into my Lumix camera, and this is what it sounds like. I thought this 29-year-old microphone sounded pretty good. It might sound even better with a fresh new battery. Time to see what's inside of this box. It says voice saving operating instructions. And here is a Califone. It looks like a personal amplifier with headset. There are 4 batteries in the package, but it also comes with an AC adapter. Who knows how long these batteries have been sitting around. They definitely do not have a full charge on them. Oh, they left me the plastic to peel on here. And here's the microphone. Looks like a headset, really. Instead of charging up the nickel metal hydrides, I just installed some fresh alkalins in here, and let's power it up. Alright, I'm going to put on this headset and do a little talking. Okay, there are 2 knobs here. Okay, one of these, this is the top one appears to be a volume control, and this one is a tone control. I'm now wearing the headsets and I'm speaking through the Califone voice saver. Let's turn it up a little bit so that, it feeds back. Yeah, the closer the mic is to the Califone voice saver, the more inclined it is to feed back. Occasionally it may help to read the instructions. Caution, use only rechargeable AA batteries. I put alkalins in here. And to reduce feedback, the mic capsule should be at least 18 inches away. This cord is barely 18 inches long. Let's see what's in this other box. Looks like we got another Califone voice saver. This one, the batteries are installed. I'm going to pop these out. Now I charged this other set that came with the other Califone voice saver, so I'll just put these in this one. On this one, the headset was already out of the plastic, so I guess this one's been used before. Sometimes this old plastic is a little harder to get started, but there it goes.
Attention ThriftyAV shoppers! This
is the Califone voiceover personal amplifier. Just for fun, I thought I'd see if the Califone could amplify something that's not a microphone. And I got it to accept a line level signal from my phone. Doesn't exactly sound high fidelity, but it's working. And using both Caliphones, I was able to amplify in true stereo. I want to thank the anonymous viewer who donated these items to ThriftyAV. If you want to donate audio and video gear to be featured on ThriftyAV, you don't have to remain anonymous. I'll be happy to give you a shout out if I feature gear that you send to ThriftyAV. Contact me if you would be interested in having some audio and video gear featured on ThriftyAV. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel, and remember, stay thrifty, everyone.